guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Another day, another video. So today's video is a haul video wherein I bought some amazing, much hyped beauty and skincare products from Amazon at a much discounted price. So today I'm going to share my first-hand review with them, as well as these products. I think you all must have already seen these products on Instagram. They are much hyped products. So those are the ones that I chose, and I think it's going to be a pretty long haul because I couldn't control myself and मैंने बहुत सारे products ले लिए हैं. So stay tuned for it, and it's absolutely a non-sponsored product review because the products are something that I chose because they were so hyped. So I'm going to give you an honest review about them. Let's get started. Now Amazon has an ongoing Great Indian Festival sale, and they do it I think every year, and you get amazing deals and discounts on all the products. So इसीलिए I bought so many of them because जितने भी products मैंने लिए हैं all are at a discounted price. कोई भी ऐसा नहीं है जो मैंने MRP पे खरीदा हो. So that was like a really good thing, and I really loved it कि चलो I will get all my products at a discounted price, and these products are super hyped. तो फिर ये भी है कि I was pretty sure कि they are going to be good because so many people have raved about them. So yeah, let's just quickly dive into the video. So in this haul video, I'm going to be telling you guys the MRPs of all the products plus the discounted price that I got them on. So stay tuned because सबका comparison होगा, whatever is the MRP and whatever discounted price you get on Amazon. I'm going to be telling you everything about it so that you can buy these amazing products at a discounted price. I'm going to start with the smallest product that we have, and that is this Earth Rhythm ka lip and cheek tint. Now I have used a lip and cheek tint from Benefit before this. This was my second brand. To be honest, I really love it on my cheeks. I have put it on right now as well. You can see, I don't know if you can see or not because मेरे पास कोई light नहीं है external, but see from here if you can see, it gives a really nice natural pink tone to your cheeks. And I've also used it on my lips अभी, तो you can see कि बहुत ही natural baby pink color आया है lips पे भी. So I love the color. This one is shade cherry, and let me just show it to you as well. This is how the packaging looks, and this is what is inside. इसका जो packaging है, it also reminds me वो Benefit वाले का packaging. It's pretty similar. Now Earth Rhythm is a brand जो कि बहुत ज़्यादा influencers के ही मुँह से मैंने सुना है. I've never visited their site. I have never seen them on Nykaa, but I have heard a lot about these products from beauty influencers. तो इसीलिए I tried this, and it's a really nice and pretty color. मुझे frankly speaking अपने cheeks पे ज़्यादा अच्छा लग रहा है लिप से, because generally lips पे I wear more bolder color, but हाँ, if I'm going for a natural look, then definitely I'm going to put it on. So let me just swatch it as well for you. This is how it looks. It's a very प्यारा color. Also coming to the price, ये इसका MRP is 499 rupees, but I got it for 323 rupees from Amazon. So guys, सेल का फ़ायदा उठाओ. जितने भी मेकअप और ब्यूटी प्रोडक्ट्स चाहिए अभी जाके ले लो because they are at an extremely reasonable price. So for 300 something I got it, and it's a pretty good deal for this. Now coming to the second product that I think everyone raves about is this Simple का face wash. This is a brand जिसका मैंने कोई marketing pitch कुछ नहीं देखा कहीं पे भी, but people actually buy it and love it. It's that it's that good of a brand. So I got it. It's 100% soap free first of all, and I used it I think twice. मुझे परसों ही मिला था, and I've used it twice, and I actually love it. Yes, it is dermatologically tested, and it makes my skin clean, but ऐसा भी नहीं है कि ये पूरा oil extract कर दे और dry कर दे मेरे skin को. So that's the best part about it, especially for dry skin type people जिनको generally face wash करने के बाद dryness हो जाती है, उनके लिए this is perfect. So I think this is a 10 on 10, and it's going to be my new favorite face wash. I have used thousands of face wash in my life, but I am definitely going to buy it again. Now इसका MRP is 375 rupees, but I got it for, let me just check, मैंने लिख के रखा है सब कुछ. I got it for 273 rupees. So that's again a great deal from Amazon. Coming to another product that everyone loves, I think I have also started loving it because so many people used it and so many people raved about it. So मुझे तो try करना ही था. So this is the third product that I got. It is the Plum Goodness का E-Luminance Cleansing Balm, and this is a perfect makeup remover. I mean, मतलब मैं रोज मेकअप ऑलमोस्ट करती रहती हूँ and I have already used it काफ़ी सारा. If you can see over here, I have used it and I really like it because it melts my makeup really nicely. And you know, मैं actually prefer करती हूँ makeup balm यूज़ करना, makeup removing balm, because जो कॉटन होता है उससे मेरी स्किन यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा इट्स सेंसिटिव एंड ड्राई स्किन टाइप. तो वेन एवर आई यूज़ यू नो माइसेलर वाटर और समथिंग कॉटन पैड्स में लगा के, इट रियली मेक्स माई स्किन इच फ्रॉम हेयर बिकॉज यहाँ पे बहुत सेंसिटिव स्किन होती है. सो दैट्स वाई आई प्रेफर यू नो यूजिंग मेकअप रिमूविंग बाम, क्योंकि इसमें कॉटन पैड्स की ज़रूरत नहीं होती है. यू कैन जस्ट यू नो रब इट ऑन योर फेस एंड इट मेल्ट्स द मेकअप परफेक्टली. सो दिस वन इज़ द नेक्स्ट थिंग एंड absolutely love it. इसका MRP is 545 rupees, but I got it for 408 rupees. So guys, also Amazon पे there is one thing, वो daily deals वाला section जिसमें you will get a product only for 24 hours it is discounted. So you can check that also, क्योंकि ये जो products मैंने लिए हैं these are my prices, but अगर कोई और डील चल रही होगी, डेली साइज या डेली डील कोई चल रही होगी उस पर, तो यू गाइज कैन ऑल्सो यू नो गेट इट एट अ मोर डिस्काउंटेड प्राइस. सो यू गाइज कैन चेक दैट आउट एज वेल. Okay, so the next thing that I bought is purely because I have dry skin and मुझे जब मैं ले में थी कोई भी मॉइस्चराइजर सूट नहीं कर रहा था, बिकॉज एनीवेज वहाँ का वेदर बहुत ड्राई होता है. सो आई वॉन्टेड टू बाई समथिंग विच इज़ अ गुड ब्रांड एंड आई नो दैट इट इज़ अ गुड ब्रांड. एंड उनका आई थिंक सनस्क्रीन वॉज द फर्स्ट थिंग दैट बिकेम काइंड ऑफ वायरल. एवरीबडी raved about it and I think it's the best sunscreen out there as well. But sunscreen I have not used till now, but I have heard a lot. तो उसकी वजह I bought a hyaluronic acid moisturizer from Reaquil, and this one, Chef's Kiss, is amazing. If you have dry skin, this is perfect for you. So what I do, I bought 2 serums also as well. So I apply my serum and after that I apply this and my skin is sorted. It feels so nice and light on the skin, but it doesn't dry your skin either. So it's a great moisturizer. I'm going to definitely buy this one again as well. I think Reaquil is doing a great job in skincare. Iska sunscreen is really nice. Iska moisturizer also very nice. 350 rupees and I got it for 297 rupees. Hand cream that I got, this is Hawaiian Roomba hand cream from Plum. I think I have also endorsed the similar you know body wash from Plum, Hawaiian Roomba, क्योंकि मुझे भी उसका PR आया था, but I have never tried this and this is the first time I'm going to try this. ये क्योंकि I think कल ही आया है and I've not used it yet. मेरी मम्मी ने यूज़ कर लिया है, but so let's see how this goes. It smells amazing. Plum के सारे products I think smells amazing. This is the hand cream. Okay, I think honestly speaking this is a good hand cream, okay, but I don't generally think there's a need of a hand cream because a moisturizer works very well on your face and I generally apply that also on my hands. But my mom has very dry hands and जो लोग मतलब काम वाम करते हैं घर का, them I think it's perfect. सोने से पहले she uses it and I think she only asked me to buy this one and I think it's a pretty good and decent cream, but I wouldn't buy it for myself because I generally don't use hand creams. I just use my moisturizer as a hand cream. So iska, let me tell you the price. So iska price is 275 rupees, but I got it for 206 rupees. Coming to the least favorite product, it's my personal opinion actually that I don't like it because I think it's not of a great use जितना मैंने सोचा था order करने से पहले. So this is the next product that I got. This is the Swiss Beauty Bold Matte Lip Color. Swiss Beauty is a brand I think जो भी बहुत ही ऊपर अभी hype हो रहा है because most of the products I think concealer Swiss Beauty का जो है वो बहुत अच्छा है, बहुत लोगों ने बोला है. So I decided concealer तो मेरे पास अभी था, so I thought I'll buy the lipstick. I think lipstick and lip liners भी उसके थोड़ा rounds मार रहे थे Instagram के, so that's why I got it. And let me just open it. गलत टाइम पे हैंड क्रीम लगाने का यही नतीजा होता है. Now it's all slippery. Oh my god. Okay, so this one has a lot of lip liners. There is a varied range of lip liners, but what I observed while using them is चाहे जितना भी darkest color you use ना, On my lips, it is looking a little bit lighter only. It's not giving that, it doesn't have that pigmentation that, I want from it. So this is why I don't like it. I think hand pe, see, if I'm rubbing it 3 to 4 times, then it is giving this much pigmentation. If I do it once, you see the difference? So this is why I don't like this product, because the pigmentation is not that great. चाहे मैं सबसे ज़्यादा darkest shade ले लूँ, या if I'm taking the lightest shade also, you see, it's not even visible on the camera. It's that light. So this is not something that I expected from Swiss Beauty, because बहुत ही up and coming brand है ये, but 12 shades, and I think I'm not going to use even 5 of them, because एक तो another thing that I don't like about it कि how similar the shades are. These 4 shades, if you see, they are all super similar shades. So this is something that I don't know why they have made this palette, because it looks like मुझे एक ही shade के 4 lip liners मिल गए हैं यहाँ पे. If you see over here, there is hardly any difference. So this is why I don't like this product, but ठीक है. Now let me tell you about the price. So this one is, इसका price I think I've written. So Swiss Beauty, इसका price is 499 rupees for 12, but I got it for 419 rupees. So the deals are absolutely great. It's up to you if you want to buy it or not, but according to me, the pigmentation is something that I don't like. If you see, lip liner should be something जो एक swipe में gives you a good pigmentation. But अगर मुझे एक lip liner को इतनी बार rub करना पड़े for a good pigmentation, then I don't think it's worth it. सबसे favorite product of this haul, and that is this bio oil. This bio oil, I think बहुत पहले इसका बहुत hype था. My sister bought it, and it is said that it is a scar and stretch mark product. तो अगर हम इसे regularly लगाएंगे तो it can heal that, and it can get rid of those marks. But I have been using it एक हफ्ते से, I think इतना use हुआ एक हफ्ते में, and I use it after my shower, and I use it on my full body, and it is such a nice product. I mean, the best part about it is कि इसको use करने के बाद I don't need to use any body balm or any body butter or any moisturizer for that matter on my body, because it's supremely good. I can endorse this product for free. I love this product. If you use this, it makes your skin super smooth, and it provides that moisturization to your skin. So I absolutely love it. मैंने washroom में ही रख लिया, because after shower I love using it. I love it on my full body, and it's an amazing product. It says कि scar, stretch mark, uneven skin tone, aging and dehydrated skin, इन सबको ये sort of सही करेगा. Let's see long run में कैसा होता है, but for now I love using it, and I just love this product. Daily wear use के लिए this is the best product out there. If you don't like that creamish texture, and it is not like ये oil है तो बहुत sticky हो जाएगा. It's not like that as well, because I use it daily. It absorbs into your skin, and it makes your skin super nice and smooth. So इसका MRP is 700 rupees, but I got it for 411 rupees. So that's a great discount on this. Coming to the serums I got, if you notice my skin today, it's looking absolutely flawless according to me. अगर आपने you follow me on Instagram, you know that I have a lot of acne issues right now recently. But after using these 2 serums, I don't know which one did the job, but I use one morning mein and I use the other one evening mein, and both of them have healed my skin a lot. I don't have any active acne after a long time. I have used so many serums, so many products, so many things for my acne, but these 2 serums have, I think, done the job, and I finally have found the perfect combination. I use these 2 plus my moisturizer, and it's worth it. So the first one is the most hyped product. ये भी बहुत ज़्यादा प्लम ने endorse किया है, बहुत लोगों को भेजा है. This is the vitamin C serum, 15% mandarin and vitamin C serum. It's a glow boost serum, and it's fragrance free. This one is super hydrating, and I've been using it daily. दोनों सीरम्स में मैं इंटरचेंज करती रहती हूँ. ये सुबह यूज़ किया तो वो रात में यूज़ कर लूँगी, वो सुबह यूज़ किया तो ये रात में यूज़ कर लूँगी. सो दिस इज़ हाउ द बॉटल लुक्स. It's, I think, used इतना, if you can see. I am loving this one. It makes my skin थोड़ा सा hydrating, and after that I use the moisturizer and I'm good to go. So this is, I think both of them together does a wonderful job. Coming to the price, This one is for 550 rupees, but I got it for 495 rupees. Coming to the next serum that I got, it is the Minimalist Ka Alpha Arbutin 2% plus HA 1% serum. This is also a dermatologically tested serum, and this says ki it is an anti-pigmentation daily serum with alpha arbutin, dramatically reduces dark spots and blemishes for brighter, even looking skin. So it's proven to offer even tone in 5 weeks. So this is what I use. I tried. I don't know why it comes in 2 boxes. It's a waste of paper. But theek hai. This is how it looks, and इसको भी I'm using along with the plum one. वो सुबह तो ये शाम पे, and this both of them, I don't know which one actually is doing the job, as I told you, but both of them together, you know, makes my skin really nice. So this also has no fragrance, no silicone, no parabens, no essential oil, no dyes, no sulfates. So great product to use. And iska MRP is 549 rupees, but I got it for 494. You can definitely check out the daily deals that I told you guys about. You know, you can get it for a much cheaper price. So the next product that everyone, it's a PR driven product, basically everyone was raving about it when it launched. It's the Rene Ka Fab 5 lipsticks, and I really think it's shit because it's not that great. It's not any transfer proof or anything like that. It's just a normal matte lipstick. This is how it looks. If you want anything like that, I think L18 का lipstick आता है बहुत similar सा इसका भी, you know, formulation है. I think it's like a cheap lipstick. That's all. So this is how it is. It has 5 colors, but almost all the 5 colors are similar to each other. I have an issue क्योंकि ये थोड़ा चेंज करने में also it takes time, it takes a lot of effort. इतना effort मैं क्यों दूँ when I can buy 5 lipstick at a similar price, L18 का, even the texture is same. So this is something that I didn't like at all. It's a basic lipstick, basically. That's the thing. So iska MRP is 750 rupees for this. But if you want to try it at a discounted price, I got it for 525. Thank God for that. Kyunki if I would have invested 700 plus rupees on this, I would have killed myself. It's not a good lipstick, guys. The second last product that I got is this Swiss Beauty ka highlighter. It's a liquid highlighter, drop and glow. And it says you get a natural glowing skin with Swiss Beauty Drop and Glow liquid highlighter. Iska shade 2 gold. So this is how it comes, and I have used it and you can see the shine, guys. This is an amazing product because isko ek drop lagate, you just blend it out and it looks super nice, you see? And you can build it up. If you want that blinding glow on your face, you can use 2 or 3 drops of it. I just used 1 drop and it gave me this. Love this highlighter. It's my new favorite highlighter. मैंने powder highlighter बहुत use किए हैं. This was my first liquid highlighter and this did a great job. One was for 349 rupees and I got it for 335 rupees. And that's it, guys. That's all the products that I got from Amazon. I think it's a great time to shop from Amazon, be it beauty, be it fashion, be it skincare, because there are amazing deals going on in the sale. It's a festive sale, so it's till 17th of October. Go ahead and buy your desired products and let me know if you try my suggested products, and if you like it, just let me know. And that's it, guys. You know what to do. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also press the bell icon for, you know, all the updates on my channel. Stay tuned, guys. Bye.